Hi guys, so I'm actually going to show you how I supplement tumblers. These are the tumblers right here. I got a box of 25 for $128 free shipping. So if you would like to know where I purchased them at, comment down below. These came with why I ordered the tumblers with the plastic straws. And then it comes with the bottom things. I don't use these. So if you do want these, they do have the company's name on them. But if you do want these, let me know. I can ship them out to you. You would just have to pay for shipping only. So, let's get started. Okay, so these are the items that you're going to be needing. A sublimation tumbler, heat tape, a sub paper. We are going to try it with blue tape. So we're going to do 3 different ones and just do a practice. You need, I don't know if I mentioned heat gloves. Probably. And then scissors. You would also be needing a conventional oven, which this is the one that I have. And then you will also be needing a Epson printer. I have this one right here, the ET2803. If you want to, oh, and I use Hippo ink. So if you want a video on how to put in the ink or anything, just let me know and I will help you out. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is send the images that you want to print out to your email. Once you go to your email, save as, then you can do Pokemon. This one I got 2 different images. And do the same thing. Alright, so right here I put the 2 images that I like. Now we are going to size. We are going to do 8.3, 9.4. Turn this to the side. Oh, make sure that it's straight. Alright, so then we're going to do the same thing for the next one. Make sure that you take these locks off, because if you don't, then it's going to mess up everything. So 8.3, then 9.4. Alright, now we're going to print. Alright, so before we even get started, I put this to 380. The only reason why I put it for 25 minutes is so we can heat up as I'm finishing up the tumblers. What we are going to be focusing on though is this. I want to make sure that it is actually 380 inside, because sometimes this does not determine on what's in here. So let this heat up and let's get ready and start our tumblers. Alright, so for the tumblers we are going to be using, of course, the tumblers, the images. You will need scissors to cut the edges. We are going to try 2 different ways. We are going to try with painter's tape and then one with heating tape. I got butcher paper, but you can use parchment paper just so the painter's tape doesn't burn. Don't forget to take these off. Alright, so at this point of the video, my kids ended up getting super loud. So what you want to do with the tumbler is just wrap the image around it tightly. Then you are going to tape it with your heat tape. I do one on the top, one in the middle, and then one on the bottom. Now I'm getting ready to put the heat tape down the middle. You just want to make sure that it sits right, like there's no papers that are crinkly. So yeah, just get it down the middle. I do 3. I do one in the middle and then the other 2 beside it, if that makes sense. If not, the video explains it better. Now I'm just gonna wrap the edges. And this is just so that there's no ghosting and you just make sure that the paper is as tight as possible. Now I'm going to use painter's tape. Next time what I should have done is made 2 identical tumblers, one using painter's tape and one only using the heat tape. I only say that because I wasn't able to tell if the painter's tape did anything. All I know is that it stunk. That was about it. But the tumbler still came out good. And then I put the parchment paper over. Now we are on to the next tumbler. Again, we're just going to make sure that the image is tightly wrapped around it. These are actually my third tumblers that I ever made. So I'm hoping this video helps you guys out. So again, we are going to tape down the middle. Then we are going to tape the edges. Once that is complete, we are able to cook them in the oven. All right, so inside of the oven, it's about 380. And we just put, I forgot to put on my gloves. But once you put on your heating gloves, you just put them inside of your oven. I put them standing up since my oven is able to do that. Make sure that you reset it to 6 minutes. And now we shall wait. Now the cups are completed. I'm going to grab heating gloves and then pull them out. They are very hot. Even with the heat gloves, I can still feel the heat. And it actually came out really nice. No blurriness, no ghosting, nothing. Now we're just pulling the painter's tape off. This one was difficult. This one turned out really nice as well. So what I'm gonna do with these, I'm gonna make this one have like drips with epoxy. So yeah, if you would like to see how I do that, stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. I'll answer them. If you have any videos that you would like me to do, just let me know and I will get to doing them. Bye.